In 1997, a security guard pulled off the largest cash heist in American history. Alan Pace worked at Dunbar Armored in Los Angeles. Every day, he watched millions of dollars flow through their vault. For months, Pace studied everything: guard schedules, camera blind spots, security protocols. He memorized it all. On a Friday night, Pace and his best friend struck. They knew exactly when to move, which cameras to avoid, how to disable the alarms. $18.9 million, loaded into a van and gone. The FBI had no leads. It was the perfect inside job. Pace had 6 months to launder the money through real estate deals and fake businesses. But then paranoia set in. Pace couldn't trust his own partner. His partner couldn't trust him. Greed turned to suspicion. Suspicion turned to betrayal. One of them started talking to the FBI. The perfect crime destroyed by the one thing Pace couldn't plan for: his own crew.